My name is Lauren Connor. I am an environmental GIS science graduate student at Unity College, currently finishing up my last semester, my Capstone project, which I had the incredible opportunity to work with the British Antarctic Survey, helping them to continue their research of using satellite imagery to understand the population abundance estimates of the emperor penguins in Antarctica. One of the many reasons that I chose Unity College was first their flexibility in classes, which allowed me to continue to have my full-time job. Likewise, I appreciate their dedication to the environmental sciences, and most importantly, I was able to meet students and network with organizations all across the globe.